So as you can see that I have already drawn it on a paper and I have scanned it to ibis Paint X. And now I will just outline the sketch to color it. And this time I will color it in black and white. I hope you will like it. Hit the like, share and subscribe button right now. And you know what? This is a pen I created yesterday. And now there will be no paints on my finger. You want to know how I created it? The link will be in the description. Click on it. So here I am creating the background first because it will decide from where the light will come on my portrait. So in this, from the two ends the light is coming on the portrait. So according to it we will shade the portrait. So give it a base color and then with the base color shade the darker areas first and it will be the base of the dark shades. Then highlight over it, the other areas which are not dark. Second reason why we should do the base first, because you can see that the color is not sufficient, so we have to put more colors. And it was looking quite incomplete and void spaces were left there, and now it can be filled. And I removed the base so that I could contour the face. And see now how easy it is to do the face now. It's easy to do the shades. Highlight the nose as the light is falling there. It should be your number one goal to do your drawing more realistic because then it adds a life to your drawing. It's not a 2D, then it becomes a 3D. And who doesn't like a 3D body? A beautiful girl in 3D than in 2D. To get this, you should learn to do more shading because that's the thing that differentiate between a 2D body and a 3D body. To make the smoke is another challenge and it should look more realistic, so tap 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 and make your smoke fab. Then here comes our here, and here, and thousands of here. Avoid thousands of hairs. You should do shapes, but I prefer this. And here is our ultra realistic portrait. Just joking, dude. You can make it more realistic by adding more shades. So, thanks so much for watching. Here is the colored one. I posted it on Instagram. Go like it there.